Hey, what's up guys? So today I have got OnePlus 15 here in the studio and I'll be doing the unboxing and I could not be more excited. This phone comes with some outstanding features. It has a 7300 milliamp power battery and it is not any more thicker or any more larger than any other Samsung phone. So I'm excited to take a look at that. And then it is also running on Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which is like crazy fast. So also looking forward to take a look at that performance of this phone. And the model that I have here has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage, and the color is Sandstorm. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this phone is all about. All right, so we have never settled box. I'll come back to this later. We have the phone right here. Let's pull it out. All right, let's put it aside. Now, this is something that I really appreciate from OnePlus. The last OnePlus phone I used was OnePlus 3T, and it's been years, and today I've got OnePlus 15, and the phone comes with a power brick. And it is not just any power brick, it's a SuperVOOC power brick. It will charge this phone up very quickly, and I'll talk about it all in detail in upcoming videos. Then we have the power cable. It has a USB-A at one end and USB-C on the other end, so don't really know what's going on with that. And then we have a SIM ejector tool as well in the box. In other parts of the world they also send a case in the box for this phone as well, but that's not the case here in Canada. And in this box we have some paperwork, and we have this connector for the charging cable, so you can connect. So this is a USB-A to USB-C connector. So if you have a USB-C charger, you can use this as well. All right, coming back to the phone, let's open this up, and there is the phone in all its glory. Now here you can see that this phone comes with the screen protector already applied, so you don't need to worry about that at all. And then look at this finish. This finish is something I've not seen or experienced before. It's also, grippy. You can grip it. The sides are also of the same finish. And it's not a thick phone for the battery that it has. So we have our USB-C port, speakers, and SIM tray. We have this extra button here on this end, and then I guess we have some microphones and speakers at the top as well. We have our camera setup at the back. So this is a 50 megapixel setup, wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. All lenses are 50 megapixel, and the cameras are getting a lot of hate online. I don't know, I'm gonna test them myself and see what the fuss is all about. Let's turn it on and go through the software. I'm actually excited about the lock screen that this phone has. I mean, the customization options are off the chart. The clock and how you can set it up is just a dream for someone who uses Samsung. Samsung just gave us this dynamic clock, and that's pretty much it. But OnePlus has gone all out on lock screens, and I'm really excited and looking forward to explore those. So I'm going to set it up and I'm going to come back. So I'm finally all set up and ready to go in the device itself, and here it's giving me instructions where the quick settings are, where the notification drawer is. But the setup was very quick and simple. There wasn't much to it. Now, something that I want to mention very quickly is these bezels. So these bezels are 1.15 millimeter thick on each side, so it's very symmetrical display. You get same thickness of bezels all around, and that creates a fantastic look for this display. And these bezels are really thin. Scroll down from the right edge, we get our quick controls. Scroll down from the left edge, we get our notification panel. At the top you can see that we have a dynamic island. When you tap on it, it expands. So right now it's giving me Google Sports updates. Not really sure what they call it on this device. I'm gonna have to dig in for that information, but let's remove it for now. Can we remove it? And there you go. It's a camera here. Let's take a photo very quick. I'll be taking a lot of photos with this phone, so you'll have a good idea of how photos come out. Now we have this shortcut button on the left edge and you can assign different shortcuts to it. So let's take a look at that. When you tap on it, it's a plus key, and then it actually takes you through different options that you can set it up with. So we have our mind space, which is OnePlus's own thing. Then you can set it up for sound and vibration controls, do not disturb controls. You can launch camera, flashlight, you can launch a recorder, translate, screenshot, and you can assign no action to it. And now before I end this video, I want to take a look at the lock screen. So we'll go in settings, then we'll go in home screen and lock screen. And here you won't see what I want to see on the main page. You have to go in all flux themes, and that's where the magic is. So here we have all these different clock settings and different animations that you can get on your phone, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Just look at how many options OnePlus is giving us with these different themes and different clock styles, something a Samsung user can only dream of right now. So there is that. Pretty awesome looking. I'm going to be exploring all of these things in upcoming videos. So if you want to watch all the features getting explored in detail on OnePlus 15, I'll make sure to subscribe, and I'll really appreciate if you hit that like button and also hide this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.